In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can trade Solana coins. Now, in order to trade coins on the Solana network, the first thing we will need is a Solana wallet, and for this, I actually recommend Phantom Wallet. Now, this can be downloaded on your phone as well, so download it on whichever device you find easier. From there, you'll have to set up Phantom Wallet, but it is pretty straightforward, and if you've ever used anything like MetaMask, you would have already gone through the process of setting that up and saving the seed phrase. So this is going to be the exact same process. And once you do have it set up, it will look something like this. So once you have your Phantom Wallet set up, we're now ready to trade Solana coins. But we first need to actually send some Solana into our wallet. So the way you have to do that is by going onto a centralized exchange. And you can use websites such as KuCoin, Binance, Coinbase. Whichever one's easiest for you, go ahead and use that. From there, you'll be able to buy Solana against another pair. So that means we can sell USDT, and in exchange we will get Solana. And from there, we'll be able to withdraw our Solana by going over to the withdrawal section of the website, choosing Solana as your coin, choosing Solana as your network, and then pasting in the wallet address that we just got from our Phantom Wallet. So once you've sent over some Solana, we're now ready to trade Solana coins. And we can do this one of two ways. The first way is by using Raydium, which is a decentralized exchange, and the second way is by using BonkBot, which is actually Solana's fastest Telegram bot. So you can trade Solana coins by going over to Raydium, connecting a wallet, choosing Phantom, and from there you'll now be connected to Raydium. So we can trade Sol for whatever coin we want by clicking this, and we can either choose from the list of coins, or we can paste in a contract address here. From there you can choose the amount that you want to buy, and then you can click swap, and confirm the transaction in your wallet to complete the transaction. Now, using Raydium is okay, but it is pretty slow and in my opinion, kind of unreliable. So I prefer to use a Telegram bot which is called BonkBot, and I'll include an invite link in the video description so that you can get access to this bot. So what we can do is deposit money into this bot, which is basically just a different type of wallet, and from there we can paste in the contract address just like this, and we can use one of these buy buttons to buy the coin, and in just a few seconds the transaction will be sent, and after that it will actually confirm and we will have successfully bought this coin using the bot. As you can see, I've now got this coin in my wallet, and here's the value right here. From there, if we ever wanted to sell it, we can click sell 100%, and it will then sell the trade that we just opened. So in my opinion, if you want to make some serious money trading Solana coins, I'd recommend to start using BonkBot, because it's going to make the process a whole lot smoother and a whole lot faster. But other than that, this has been my video showing you how to trade Solana coins. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.